This is the source code which you find in description box. You can copy the source code and make similar project for your resume too. This is an interesting code of image gallery. Here now I will show you how. Before that, hit like and subscribe so that you will find good source code and make good projects with me. And this is all. The source code of .html, CSS, and JavaScript. Here, I prefer to make 2 HTML files so that in one there is a main overlook and the other one is for slideshow section, where images are slideshow automatically. Let's go into the live server and check how our image gallery looks. This is our image gallery.
Home, about, like,
Library. Look how on one-click images are popping up. Do it. All heart red, and look they are popping. Now dive in library, where we will see our automatically slideshow of images.